Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So this is their website, etsy.com. And for the ones who don't know what is Etsy, then think of it this way. Etsy, they provide a platform where you can convert your creativity into products and then sell it out to all the people from around the globe. So you could create products from any of these categories, jewelry to accessories, clothing to shoes, and all this amazing stuff, and then you can just place it on Etsy and people can buy it and you earn money. However, for this video, we will talk about digital planner that how can you sell, how can you first create and then sell digital planner on Etsy. And the second thing that you need for the purpose of creating digital planner would be Canva. So you can go to the website, which is canva.com. Now, what is Canva? Think of Canva being your professional designer, and that's for free. So you can use Canva and design amazing stuff, including even the digital planner. So again, let me take you back to Etsy.com. If you don't have an account with them, you can simply click on sign in. And in here, you will see an option for register. You can click on register, which will then ask you to enter the email address, first name and password. You can also continue with Google you like. So just go through with the registration process. It's easy to create once you will have an account, or if you already have an account, in that case, you can click on sign in, click on continue with Google, or probably if you have the set of credentials, you can just enter the email address and the password combination and click on continue. So it will take you, the login screen should take you to the homepage of Etsy. So it's going to take a few seconds. As you can see, it's loading for me. And when you are on Etsy platform, you can explore different products of other people around. You can get inspired. You can create your own stuff. So here we are. And the point was to create digital planner and of course to get inspired as well. So why don't we search for something like digital planner and let's see how people are performing, isn't it? So for that, I can search for something called Digital Planner 2023. And on Etsy, you could also do that. And let me search it again. And what this will do, it will search and it will provide all the products that are available, which are basically digital planner made for 2023. And these are the most loved one. And then if I click on the sorting in here, as you can see, there are filters and sorting option. If I click on sort, you could also do that because you want to see the products which are loved by most people, which has more customer reviews in a way. So you can click on top customer reviews and you can see all the products that are available and has highest customer reviews. So let's say that these are the planner and you are getting inspired by, let's say, this one, or since this is the start seller and they're selling it at 13.59, then even we got this one which is at 11.98. But let's say you get inspired by this one, we can click on it. It would take us to that specific product page. You can go through, you can see that how it has been created, different stuff. There's a video for that too. Then that different images, you can go through with it just to understand, not to buy it of course, but to get inspired. And what if you want to create something like that and then you want to sell it out on Etsy? How do you do that? The first thing comes is of selling. Can you even sell anything on your Etsy account? Before you even create something like this, can you even sell it? So for that, you should have a seller account with Etsy. And to create a seller account, we can Google search something like become a seller on Etsy. This should take you to this page, which is etsy.com. And then there will be some characters and then sell. In here, you will see all the option of what is there for the seller and how much is it charging and everything, because of course you have to pay something to Etsy as well for all the products that you're selling to their platform. So you can read through it, you can understand your transaction fee and all the other fees that are involved. And once you're fine with it, you can click on get started. It will take you through the sign up process of a seller account. You can fill in all the information, all the requested information. And once you've successfully created the seller account, if you go back to Etsy, you will see this symbol on your Etsy account just beside your profile. So you'll see shop manager. This is a place where you can come, you can go to the listing and you can list any product that you have, including the digital planner. So let's say you have an Etsy account and that Etsy account is a seller account. The next question is of creating a digital planner. For that, you can go to canva.com as I discussed about it just when we started the video. On canva.com, since I'm already logged in, that's why I'm not seeing the option for sign in or sign up. But you would see an option when you come to Canva, you'll see an option to sign or sign up. If you don't have an account with them, just click on sign up, use your email address, create an account with them. It's of course free. You can use it for free, and even the sign up process is pretty easy to go through it. And once you'll create an account, you will see something like this, and you have to find the template. It's not like you have to create from scratch. On Canva, you can click on Design Spotlight. So once you create an account, you'll see something like this, and you can click on Design Spotlight and see if there's any template available that says a digital planner. And if you don't see it here, you can always click on Browse Canva Templates. Now, this should take you to a search page where you can search for thousands of templates, not just of any digital planner or in fact digital planner. You can search for many things and number of things that you want to create, from card to invitation, whatever you like. But since it's already loaded for us, and in here, as you can see, search thousands of products, you can wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. Once it's loaded, you can search for digital planner. And what this will do, it will try to search for all the templates that Canva have available for digital planner that you can leverage. And that's true. Canva has a lot of templates. They have like a huge library of templates for multiple stuff you can explore, and you can use them. So these are the templates for digital planner. Whatever you like, you can use it, but you won't be able to use it all for free. Look at this design. It's for the pro one. So if I like this, I cannot use it unless I have a pro account with Canva. So let's say of all the templates, you ended up liking this one, which is, of course, it's free, so I can use it. To use it, you can just click on it, and it will just open up on the planner. And then I can click on customize this template. You can do that, whatever template that you like. After searching for it, you can click on it. You can click on customize the template. What this will do, it will take you to the next screen that is loading for us. In here, it will show the element of that specific planner. I can modify all the elements of it. It's fully customizable. It's like, think of it this way. We have to start somewhere, and where to start, we often get confused. So in here, it's kind of showing that, okay, this is a template, you can start with it. So we got the template, all these elements that I can update. I can select any of these things, and I can use the left side console. I could update the tags. I could draw something. I can even use many designs as available. So this is my planner, but I don't want to keep like, I can't just use one page, or even, in fact, this is a good planner, but I have to add more pages to my planner. First, say I want to add a cover page. And then let's say I want to add a calendar page as well. So 3 pages planner. Let's assume that I want to create. So I have added 2 pages to it. In your case, you can add as many pages as you like. But I want to keep this page 2 as page 1. So I click here, and as you can see, it changed the position. And since I was practicing, so I was able to find some designs from the sections. Let's say if you want to find the cover, the cover for your planner, so you could search for something like planner back front cover, and then it will give you all the option. So for example, if you like this one, you can use it. But since I was practicing with it, and I was able to find a good one, so I can simply just drag and drop this design in here. As you see, it got updated. And let's say that I want to change the font of this to match with what I have here. I can just click here. I can click on this, and I can go with Comica, because this font is basically Comica. If I click here, I can see it in here. And then I definitely want to update the year. So I'm just going to double click on it, and I can update the text from 2022 to 2023. And I can again select it once more, all the elements of it, and I can bold it. So like this, you can use all this customization, create front page, create the main page. And of course, if we are talking about the third page as well, where I want to have a calendar. So you could search for something like calendar 2023, any design that you like, of course, within design, calendar 2023, any design you like, you can just drag and drop. In my case, I had found this one, so I'm just going to drag and drop in here. So you see, my planner is basically a 3-page planner. First is the front page, second is the monthly budget planner, and the third is the calendar for 2023. So whatever you like, you can design your planner that way, but give time, create something that people love. This is for the demo, so we cannot have all the things within the demo, but you might want to give more time and create something with your creativity that people would love to buy. And once you have designed it using all these tools, you might want to play around just to understand a bit like how Canva works, how exactly you can use what part of this console. So once you have designed your planner accordingly, and you're satisfied with it, with all the pages that you have, you can click on share. And in here, you can click on download. It will probably show you the standard one, but click on it and choose PDF print. And why is that? Because when you're going to sell on Etsy, people will not just buy the soft copy of it. They definitely want to use it as a physical copy, isn't it? So that's why if you select PDF print, they can even use it physically if they want it later. And then you can click on download. So it may show you that, okay, there are some premium images since we had to use a template. So I'm fine with it. What I can do, I can even click here and can go with download a free watermarked draft. So I can always do that. So this way, either you can just go pro with Canva and you can use all this stuff, or you can go with the watermark since those images were too minor. So those were anyways not that much visible. So I went with it. It's totally up to you. And once you have created it, see if I click on it, if I open it here, this got downloaded and it looks pretty cool. So you could create something like this within a few minutes. I was able to create it. So what if you give around 30 minutes, you could create an amazing, like very good looking planner using Canva. So as I said, it's a professional designer for you. Now let's say you created a very good looking planner, a digital planner on Canva. Then you again go back to Etsy and you have to click on Shop Manager. What this will do, this will show you many options available. You have to click on listing and you can just upload that planner over there. You can decide the pricing. Just go very strategic with price, because put that price where it's very less competition. You don't want to compete with these people who are selling it with 13.59 or 11.98. Probably keep it low so that the competition is less and you're delivering it better. So you can use the listing section within the shop manager section and upload your planner there, decide the price, and you're good to go. And once you publish it, once you have listed it on Etsy, people will definitely search like this, the way I have searched. They can just click on it, they can buy the product of you, the digital planner, and you earn the money. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and do not forget to like the video, click on the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel so that any video that we create, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.